Contestant number 2, now are you ready? Derik Lott, YouTube made me do it. YouTube made me do it. Derik Lott.
Am I supposed to shake here? By a show of hands, how many of you have something in your home right now that needs to be fixed? Keep your hand raised if you plan on fixing it yourself. I see we have some do-it-yourselfers in the room. Any others? I see you. DIY warriors. Woo! Who, me? Oh, no, I am not a do-it-yourselfer. But I'll do anything to try to save a buck. Contest master, Toastmasters, and friends, you're about to embark on one of my many DIY misadventures, where the term, "what was I thinking?" is an understatement. How many of you have ever been faced with a malfunctioning garbage disposal? You're washing the dishes? What's that? Drip, drip. You look under the cabinet, a seemingly innocent drip from the garbage disposal. A call to the local plumber. Hello? Yes. I was trying to get a quote on my garbage disposal. Uh-huh. How much? Say that again? I thought that's what you said. In that moment, I remembered what my DIY phenom daughter told me. Dad, you can fix anything by watching a YouTube video. The next 30 minutes that ensued found me watching every video entitled, "How to Fix Your Garbage Disposal in a Snap." After 30 minutes, I was emboldened, confident, and I took that confidence to the hardware store. When I arrived at the hardware store, I met George. Hi, George. I'm trying to replace my garbage disposal. He pointed over my shoulder. There was a wall of garbage disposals. Looks like that, maybe that. Do you have the model number or serial number? No, I don't. Well, you'll have to go back home. It should be on the unit. I'll be here when you get back. When I got back, I gave George the information. Oh, I've got that right here. What size fitting do you need? Huh? The YouTube video didn't say anything about a fitting. YouTube video, Mr. Lott. Oh, my goodness, I hear this all the time. Listen, I got some numbers of some qualified plumbers that'll have that fixed for you in a snap. The YouTube videos made it seem so simple. George, I'm good. I've got this. After 2 more visits to the hardware store, I should have thrown in the towel. Folks, that confidence was dropping precipitously. But I had everything I needed, and I was back home. The little bit of confidence I had left, I looked under the sink and noticed I'd have to get on my back to maneuver the removal of the garbage disposal. That turned out to be quite a task. You see, I had to turn on my back, then arch my back, scoot up to get under the sink, you know? And then I had to put my left arm around the garbage disposal over the pipes, my right hand with the wrench I put in place, and then it got tricky. I had to bend my neck to the left, my head to the right, and then I couldn't see. Oh, that's right. My flashlight. Now that I was fully contorted, I began to try to loosen that garbage, that friddle. I was whispering words of healing. And snap. I don't think that's what they meant by how to fix your garbage disposal in a snap. There was a moment of silence. And then water sprayed in all directions. Startled, I jumped up, feeling utterly defeated. What was I thinking? Exasperated and totally frustrated. I guess watching a YouTube video doesn't make you a plumber any more than buying a paintbrush makes you Picasso. But then I heard splish, splash, splish, splash, splishity, splash, splishity, splash. What could it be? The sound of tiny feet dancing in the rain. Daddy, 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 you didn't tell us we were going to have a pool in the house today. Their little smiling faces alleviated my frustration, and I ran to turn off the water main. My DIY misadventure taught me a few things. Just because it's on a YouTube doesn't mean that you can do it. It's okay to swallow your pride and admit that you can't do something. And sometimes trying to save a dime can cost you $1. My kids came to my rescue that day. The pitter-patter of their little feet in the pool of my dismay gave me a moment I shall never forget. A little bit of advice. If you ever have a DIY project go awry, run amok, become a fiasco, just tell them YouTube made me do it. Hey, George, how you doing? It's Mr. Lott. Could you send a couple of those numbers? Yeah, I don't know. I'm throwing in the towel. I don't know what I was thinking. Contest master.